Sari stars, how are things going on in your Sari world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I'm very excited to bring to you a very beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. The saris I'm going to showcase here are all hand woven and the zari on them is pure. So let's get started with these kaleidoscopic Kanjivaram silk saris. We begin with a sari that is for lovers of blue color. Now the body of this beautiful, gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very deep blue, like a navy blue shade. And there are grids all over the body in a different shade of blue, like an Egyptian blue. And the borders are also in this different shade of blue, like an Egyptian blue. And it's got 2 rows of zari here, so it's a retapete zari border. And the whole body looks so beautiful in these 2 shades of blue. The beautiful pallu of the sari has seeper-acre in zari and it is in blue. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same blue as the pallu. So this sari has beautiful combination of 2 shades of blue with zari and grids all over the body, and it's a very fabulous and breathtaking sari. Up next we have a sari for lovers of threadwork Kanjivarams. This is a threadwork Kanjivaram in a very unusual shade of a peachish rust. So the body of the sari is in peachish rust and it's got threadwork floral buttas in maroon like this all over the body. And the borders have Mayilkand motifs like this, and it has got a row of Salangai motifs that you see here. The pallu of this beautiful sari is also done in thread and it has seeper-acre in thread. This sari has a running blouse fabric with the same borders as the body of the sari. Because this is a no zari Kanjivaram silk sari, this is something that you can even wear to work and for small events and occasions. 1000 butta or 1000 butta saris are a must-have in every sari lover's wardrobe. So we have a beautiful 1000 butta sari in a beautiful beigish color with threadwork 1000 buttas of Mail Chakram. So the motifs on this body are Mail Chakram and it's an iron butta because the buttas are there all over the body. This sari doesn't have borders, but it has a rustish selvage and a line of zari here, a zari stripe along the edges. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in the same short rust as the selvages are. This sari has a blouse fabric in short rust. So this combination of beige with these beautiful 1000 buttas and the short rust selvages, pallu and blouse fabric make this a stunning. Palum Paramum is a classic design in Kanjivaram silk saris. Again, this is another must-have in your wardrobes. So here we have a classic Palum Paramum sari in shades of maroon, yellow and green. This beautiful multicolored Kattam sari has zari borders like this, and it's got a row of Salankai motifs and it has got Mayilkand motifs in zari. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in mustard and it has got simple zari lines. This sari has a blouse fabric in mustard, but you can pair it in any other blouse from the body colors also. For lovers of striped saris, we have a beautiful vintage style Kanjivaram silk sari in a combination of mustard, black and green. The body of this beautiful sari has stripes running along the length of the sari in mustard and black. The upper border of the sari is mustard and the lower border is green. The beautiful green pallu of the sari has zari stripes. So this is a very classic and vintage style Kanjivaram silk sari, and if you love stripes, then this sari is a must-have for you. The Gandaberunda or 2-headed mythological bird is a very famous motif which we find in Kanjivaram silk saris. This is a lovely brown body of the sari, and you can see the beautiful motifs of Gandaberunda or 2-headed bird all over the body. The motifs are closely placed near the pallu and they are more spread out as we progress towards the inner portions of the sari. The gorgeous red pallu of this beautiful sari has elaborate zari motifs of peacock, pakshi and coin motifs. This sari has a blouse fabric in red, and this combination of brown and red makes this a very stunning and majestic sari. I am sure you loved our collection of kaleidoscopic Kanjivaram silk saris. You can purchase these saris from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.